Hey, what's up people? Here today I bring an official giveaway on my YouTube channel for my subscribers and for my visitors. After my last video about WPForms, I requested them to provide something to offer my viewers. And today we partnered up with WPForms to bring this opportunity for 3 lucky winners to win 1-year subscription of WPForms Pro, which is worth $399 at their regular price. All those DIY people who wants to enjoy pro functions of WPForms can participate in this draw. It is free and simple. All you have to do is head to my website, rightsolutions.ca/giveaway. As you land here on this giveaway page, you will have 2 options to log in. Use your Facebook login or use your regular email. So let us test with the regular email. Of course, you have to enter your name and your email address and agree to the terms and conditions. And as you click enter, you will see that your automatic entry is already set for the draw. As I previously mentioned that I will be having 3 lucky winners to get this pro license for WPForms. So I strongly suggest you to utilize all the bonus options here for you. For 1 bonus entry, you could join us for our email newsletter. And for 1 extra bonus entry, you could just follow us on Twitter. Visit RightSolutions Facebook page for additional bonus entry. Or maybe visit our YouTube channel again and earn more bonus entries, 3 per referral. By utilizing any of these 3 options available, you could just share this story on your Facebook, or maybe tweet this on your Twitter. You could just copy the link here and just share this link by regular emails with your friends for additional chances to enter in the draw. So I strongly suggest you to utilize all the bonus entry options available to increase your chances of your winning. I would love to have you over as a part of this giveaway, and I hope that you win. My name is Mazhar, and at RightSolutions, I create tutorial for all you DIY people. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. I will see you with next video next week, and you have a great day.